Welcome to Cambridge Motors Plumstead, established 1959. Here we have a 68 reg Hyundai Ioniq hybrid in a lovely metallic blue. One owner, full service history, parking sensors and camera at the rear. Keyless entry, keyless starting. Parking sensor at the front, blue drive. This is the to lock it. You push this button here to unlock it. There's leather seats, side airbags, Isofix rear seats. Brighten up a little bit. Here's your rear camera here. Cavernous boot there with a spare wheel, which is unusual. Now, luggage compartment cover here. Shut the tailgate down. Electric adjustable seat, memory seats as well, 4 electric windows, folding mirrors into the vehicle. As you can see, it's done 19,949 miles, very nice mileage. Start the vehicle up, foot on the brake, push that button there. Wireless charging here. Rear camera, heated seats as well, cooling seats, heated steering wheel, dual climate control. This gives you all your different settings, phone projection, all this sort of stuff. Navigation, no CD, but music is on your phone basically now, so you don't have that. Telephone buttons here, cruise control, speed limiter here. Oh, these are your to drive if you drive in manual mode, which is here. You flick that across, so this is how you change gear basically. To turn the vehicle off, you push this button here. If you have any questions, obviously get in touch. It's got an infinity stereo as well. Thank you for watching. Any questions, please give us a call.